In today's video, we're diving into the best Poweramp skin apps for Android that can transform your music player's look and feel. Each of these skins offers unique features and styles to enhance your music experience. Let's get started. Aurora Poweramp Skin. Aurora Poweramp Skin is a beautifully designed skin that enhances the visual appeal of the Poweramp music player. Featuring a sleek and modern design, this skin offers a blend of vibrant colors and smooth gradients, creating an eye-catching interface. Aurora provides users with an array of customization options, including different color schemes and customizable widgets, allowing you to tailor the look to your personal style. The skin is designed to complement the existing features of Poweramp, ensuring a seamless experience while listening to music. Luminous Poweramp Skin. Luminous Poweramp Skin elevates your Poweramp experience with its elegant and luminous design. This skin focuses on a minimalist aesthetic, utilizing a dark background with glowing accents that make it visually striking. Users can enjoy enhanced readability and an organized layout, which helps in navigating through their music library effortlessly. Luminous also offers customization options to change colors and widgets, allowing for a personalized touch. With its modern appeal, this skin is perfect for users looking for a stylish yet functional interface. Melodi Poweramp Skin. Melodi Poweramp Skin is a vibrant and colorful skin that brings a lively touch to your music player. This skin features a playful design with bold colors and dynamic elements that enhance the overall look of Poweramp. Melodi focuses on providing an engaging user experience by making it easy to access your favorite tracks and playlists. The skin comes with various customization options, including themes and widget styles, so you can modify the appearance to suit your tastes. The lively design of Melodi makes it an excellent choice for music lovers who want an energetic and fun interface. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the Aurora, Luminous, and Melodi Poweramp skins helps you find the perfect look for your Poweramp music player. Until next time, enjoy your music.